Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing my wig using the ESHA Absolute Lace Bond glue, and I was pretty excited to try this glue. It says here that it's water resistant, so I'm gonna install this wig and give you guys my thoughts on this glue, so keep watching.
It's about you. It must be in the way.
So this is the wig I'll be using today. It's a 24-inch lace frontal wig that I made, and right now I'm just showing you guys a close-up of the inside and length.
I'm dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
As you guys can see, my hair is already prepped and my stocking cap is glued down. But before I apply the glue, I'm gonna apply my lace tint to my lace so that it matches better with my skin tone. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out so it can dry quicker.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere.
So before I apply my glue, I like to apply the wig and just brush everything backwards. I also use a little bit of mousse so I can control like the baby hairs and the little flyaways in the front of the wig. Once the hairs are laid, I'm gonna slide my wig back a little bit and get ready to apply my glue.
Say you want me to. Got nothing to lose. Looking so old. Looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
So I applied 2 layers of glue and I let the first layer dry before applying the second one. So I'm gonna finish applying this wig and do my baby hairs, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. 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 Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
right now I'm just showing you guys how secure the wig is. I'm pulling and tugging and it's not going anywhere. This install is so good, I don't even need to do baby hairs, but I'm still gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. But if I wanted to, I can just leave it like this. So what I really love about this glue is that it's easy to use and it's not as sticky as the other glues. It's very easy to remove and it doesn't leave much residue on the lace. However, this install did not last me a week. About the third day, my lace did started to lift up. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. I followed the directions to a T, so I don't know what went wrong. I didn't wet the lace under the shower. I didn't jump into a pool. I just washed my face as usual and my lace started lifting. I saw a lot of videos where people wet the lace and it stayed on, it did not lift. So I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm definitely gonna keep trying and I will keep you guys updated. So guys, this was my experience with the ESHA lace glue, and if you are thinking on trying it, I would definitely say give it a go. Like I said before, I love that it's not as sticky and messy as other glues that I've tried. Definitely try it out and maybe you might get better results. So yeah. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with someone. Follow me on Instagram, link will be down in the bio, and I'll see you guys in my next one.